This is a tutorial on how to embed a PowerPoint presentation from your Office 365 OneDrive into a Canvas page for your students. Once you have finished your PowerPoint, go to your Canvas dashboard. You'll want to click on the course that you want to embed your PowerPoint into. Once you've clicked on your course, look for the Pages tab within the course navigation bar. Click on that, then you'll click View All Pages, then over to the right, another button, Add Page. So now we're at a new page, and I'm going to title mine Heat Transfer Science Lab. And within the rich text editor, I'm going to look at my toolbar, and I'm going to click on the V icon that says More External Tools. I'm going to click on my app, Microsoft Office 365, and I'm going to type in the PowerPoint that I need. I found it with a keyword. I'm going to click Attach File. So this attached it for me into the text box, and I'm going to click Save. And so my page shows a link. If my students click on this link, it's going to open a separate tab. Here's my presentation, and I can move within this presentation with the tools at the bottom. And this is great, but I really want this to be embedded inside Canvas as a slideshow versus a separate tab. So I'm going to go back. I'm not going to close this, but I'm going to go back to my Canvas page, and I'm going to click Edit. Notice how I still kept this open. I'm going to delete the link. I'm going to click on HTML Editor. I'm going to highlight all this and delete that. That belonged to the link that I just deleted. I'm going to go back to the Launch LTI page, and down at the very bottom on the right side you see what looks like a notebook. Click on that. It's actually the menu. Click on Embed Information, right click, and copy. Now it's safe to close the tab. You're back here. You're going to paste your embedded information. For me it was Command V. Some of you may have to do Control V to paste. I'm going to click Save because I'm not ready to do Save and Publish. I'm not ready to share this with my students. So I'm just going to click Save. And ta-da! I now have a PowerPoint presentation that's embedded in my Canvas page. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at dtemez@cisd.org.